boss. Do you think I can take your picture?
Ah.
It is from Instagram. If it's okay with you.
You got picture?
Yeah.
You took me picture?
No. Can I take your picture?
You wanna do picture now?
I'll show you my page, okay? So that is my page, man.
Oh, you doing portrait?
Yeah, I do portrait.
Okay. Okay, take me one too if you like.
Sure. I'll come inside. Can you stand here? Yeah, please. Oh, that's sick, mate.
Just like that? Well, it's like that.
Just like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you look here?
Guys, come.
Cheers,
You can
mate.
follow me if you want.
Sure. What's your name?
Let me add it for you.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Yeah?
Cheers, mate. Nice meeting you.